In a controversial move, the Congress-led state government in Karnataka has decided to revive a previously shelved plan to construct a 10-story annex for the Karnataka High Court within the serene premises of Cubbon Park, Bengaluru's largest lung space. The plan, put on hold for past 5 years due to the opposition from environmentalists and heritage enthusiasts, has sparked renewed debates over the preservation of open spaces in the city. The unexpected revival of the plan has taken activists by surprise as they continue their efforts to safeguard the remaining open spaces in the city. Cubbon Park, under the Karnataka Government Park Preservation Act established in 1975, had been shielded from construction activities until the recent turn of events.
High Court had given an order that the government can go ahead and construct the building without felling of trees. But right now, all the environmental activists and BJP, they are opposing this.
Now, since Honorable Court has addressed it, I don't think it needs Honorable Court has addressed it. I don't have to say anything. If people have raised their voice, we'll see how the things will go on. But I think we are absolutely under the law. I think we are whatever decision has done. I don't know, but they have done under the law, I think.
See, already there are a lot of restriction by the High Court. Already the earlier judgments were there not to encroach into the green space. Time and again, the Cubbon Park space has been encroached by the government. It should stop. High time it should stop. Basically, let me see, because this is more related with the judgments and the space. And more so, what I feel is already much of the areas have been taken up. I don't see any good reason in future to occupy more of any Cubbon Park space. There should not be any construction. Whatever construction, if it has to happen, the present occupied space, wherever it has been occupied by various officers or anything, they should demolish that and reconstruct. Build a bigger buildings. That will be more appropriate than extending horizontally. Let it go more vertically.